In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language settings on your Google account. Whether you're practicing a new language or just need to switch things up, this process is quick and simple. Let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to your Google account settings. To do this, open your internet browser and type in myaccount.google.com. Once there, make sure you're signed into your Google account. If you're not, you'll want to enter your sign-in details to access the settings we need. Now that we're in, let's move on to the language settings. Take a look at the left-hand sidebar and you'll see an option labeled Personal Info. Go ahead and click on that. This section is where you can manage personal details like your name, birthday, and other essential settings for your Google account. As you scroll down the page, keep an eye out for the General Preferences for the Web section. This is where you'll find the language settings. When you spot it, click on Language to proceed. We're now ready to choose a new language for your account. Right next to your current language, you'll notice a pencil icon. It looks like a small. Clicking on this icon allows you to edit and change your language preference. In the search bar that appears, you can type in the name of the language you'd like to set. For instance, you might want to switch to English, Philippines, Espanol if you're looking to brush up on your Spanish, or Riben-yu if you're diving into Japanese. The list of languages is extensive, so take your time and find the one that best suits your needs. Once you've found your desired language, click on it to highlight your selection. After you've done this, you'll see a button labeled Select. Go ahead and click it, and just like that, your preferred language is set. This simple change will update the language for various Google services and improve the way you interact with your account on the web. And that's it. You've successfully changed the language settings for your Google account. Remember, you can return and tweak these settings whenever you like, whether you're trying to change back to another language or try out something new. Thanks for following along, and I hope this guide helps you manage your Google settings with ease. Feel free to explore other settings to customize your Google experience even further.